Good morning. We've got some heavy and prolonged rain moving northwards today. Behind it, it will brighten up, but there's more rain coming in later to the west, and it's going to be blustery wherever you are. I'll have all the details later in the programme. To you too, John is not wrong. It is a wet start to the day for some of us this morning. It's chilly once again in the North Highlands. Come further south, it's mild with all the cloud and the rain around. And if you are heading out today, it's probably worth your while taking your brolly, because even though this rain is moving north, there's some more in the cards. So we've got the first batch of rain pushing into the Northern Isles. This is what John was talking about, coming in from the southwest. This is pushing northeastwards as we go through the day, and there's a fair bit of cloud around as well. You could see this rain for a couple of hours when it sets in before it continues to journey northwards. But for northern Scotland, you'll stay in the brighter conditions until after dark, but you can already see this next batch of rain coming in. So if you're in Northern Ireland today, it is going to be fairly wet. But behind all of that, we're looking at some brighter conditions. Wherever you are, though, it's going to be blustery with gales developing, coastal gales in the Irish Sea. Temperatures today, 10 in Lerwick to 16 in St Helier. Now through this evening and overnight, this first band of rain continues to push northwards. The rain coming in from the west pushes eastwards, clearing most but lingering across the far south of England. Still quite blustery, some clear skies, but it's not going to be a cold night. We're not expecting any issues with frost. Temperatures 7 to about 13 degrees. Into tomorrow then, we start off with this band of rain in the south. It's going to move a little bit further north through the course of day, and we're also looking at the rain pushing across Scotland, moving further eastwards in between some brighter skies. A fair bit of cloud around though, and these are the temperatures up to 15 degrees. Sarah. Morning, we've got a band of heavy rain pushing northwards. Behind it, it will brighten up, but then we've got more rain coming in from the west, and that is heading eastwards through the day. And wherever you are, it's going to be blustery. I'll have all the details coming up. Good morning both. Good morning to you too. That's right, if you're heading out, just stick your brolly in your bag, because the chances are you're going to need it. But it's one of those days where you may be starting on a chillier note, but the temperature is going up through the day. At the moment in Milford Haven, it's a very mild 14 degrees. In Preston and Catesbridge, it's 9. But in Aboyne in Aberdeenshire, it's -1. Now, John mentioned the rain. We've got the rain pushing into the Northern Isles, and you can see all this rain we've had through the course of the small hours of today. Some of that rain is heavy, and it is also fairly persistent. And it's going to continue to journey northwards. It's going to be pretty wet today in Northern Ireland, but for parts of northern Scotland, we are looking at a bright start. There'll be some sunshine around, albeit a bit nippy. Then we run into the rain across the central lowlands and the southern uplands, northern England, Northern Ireland, and also northwest Wales. Come south of that, there's a fair bit of cloud around with just 1 or 2 showers. Now through the day, the rain continues to advance slowly northwards, and you can see this next batch of rain waiting in the wings coming in from the west, and that's slowly going to push eastwards. But before it does, it will dry up and it will brighten up a touch. Well, one thing you'll notice is it's going to be another blustery day with gales developing through the Irish Sea. Temperatures today 10 to about 16 degrees, so still on the mild side for the time of year. Now through this evening and overnight, the rain continues to push northwards across Scotland and eastwards across England and Wales, resting in the far south. In between, we will have some clear skies, but it's not going to be a cold night, still quite a blustery one, and we're not anticipating any issues with frost. So tomorrow we still have this rain across southern counties of England. If anything, it's going to move a bit further north into parts of Wales, the Midlands, East Anglia. And we have this rain in Scotland wrapped around an area of low pressure. It's easing as it pushes eastwards, and the wind also is going to ease tomorrow. In between, there'll be some bright spells of sunshine with top temperatures up to 15 degrees. John and Sarah.